Hawu umuntu alale early ingathi khona la ayakhona kusasa and akunala uyakhona. Hayibo tap iscreen lapho ungazokhona la life yami sizokublock ngiyadlala. Guys, we are playing a move back. If we get 1,000 points, this tall boy is gonna move back. Uzoya lapha emarketing wakhe. Ayowela lapho kula marketing. Share the life. Do you still remember what we did to you on Friday?
What did you do that I didn't do to you?
You tried to win and we overtook you and then we whooped you so bad. We won a series. Wena. Unga acting at 2 years mangaza, you don't know what happened.
Kimberly leveled up. Thank you so much, Kimberly.
Guys, all together, share the life to your exes, guys. We only want your exes from crutch. They care. As funny laba ngathi bahlakaniphile. Siyacela bafethu. Share the life to your exes. They will come running. They will come running, trust me. Mtshele ukuthi nje indlu kaMama kaMpumi yasha. Uzozibuza ukuthi indlu ubani uMama kaMpumi bese uyazi. Bese nilungisa indaba zenu. That's why you are suffering now because ex yakho le yiyo right. Loku uyaphupuleza la. Hak fresh start. Uzobona wena namhlanje ngalama winning streaks lawo wakho lawo. Angazi ukuthi nokuthi uboshaya bani ngawo. Uzobona namhlanje guys, every game counts. Every game counts. Can we have 4 roses? Let's go team. Let's go. Uyazihambulisha. Konje ubani le MVP le yakhe guys lengana mazinyo. Guys let's go team 2. Ungazimangazi. Angithi uwobo umtshela ukuthi abheka ama false teeth wakhe kade.
Uba lo.
Loyana othanda ukummemeza guys 1 rose. Team.
Sazi.
Guys.
Awunamazinyo.
Ngidlali kanjani. Guys can we try?
My lord. Thank you so much, my lord. Thank you so much, my lord.
I share the life. Still MVP namhlanje.
Thank you so much.
All together, guys. All together. Guys, all together. All together, team.
Guys, let's go, guys. On time.
Guys, send a heart me. Don't forget to send a heart me. There's a goodie bag. Don't forget to send a heart me, guys. All together, team. My mama have missed you. No.
Lord John Kumalo. Let's go. Lord John Kumalo. Move.
Oh, you muting gaming pen?
Yeah.
Good. Thank you.
I want another space.
Thank you. Usema movie, guys. Use cinema.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Please follow my MVPs, guys. Please follow my MVPs. Please follow my MVPs. Please follow my MVPs. Please follow my MVPs, guys. Let's go, guys. You leveled up. Click on. Let me see. You leveled up. Who leveled up here? Chula mama yikindawo yako, just shut up. Uzothula uzunuka ikake emlomweni. Ngiyakutshela, angeke into ozoyikhuluma kahle usikhaphile la. Usikhaphile. Hey lalani, hey Thepani, hey what. Uzothula uzunuka ikake. Ngiyakutshela. Thank you so much, Rabbi. So thank you so much, guys. Let's go harder, guys. She can come back this one. She's dangerous. Nondu. Thank you so much, Nondu. Thank you so much, Nondu. What's up to Lisa? Lord John Kumalo. Lord John Kumalo. Let's go. Check the level yakhe lapha. Checka i-level yakhe. Akusuma fundani lo. Riabethu. Thank you so much, Riabethu. Let's go. Good thing I fast forward as game but you don't give me challenge. Yo. Let's go. John Kumalo. And John. Like really. It's Sazi. Welcome Gamede. Welcome Gamimi. Let's go. I snipe Peggy. It's unsnipeable. Ayikhonakali ni bazamile abaningi baphelele moyeni baphelele guys watch out for the snipe Watch out for the snipe, guys. Strong man. Watch out for the snipe. Yes, 3 to 1. Gish, guy.
It's just the first game. Relax. What we did to you on Friday? You were on 8. We were on 4. We won a series.
$1,000.
Hayi, oh, emakucala ke ngicela utshele uJohn ukuthi thina masukushaya ngana sikushaya ngama-jam kanye. Hayi, uJohn Black wase The Bold and the Beautiful.
Check. No, Lord John.
Akuna Lord lapho. uLord wamani kani? Yo. Hayibo, futhi loyo ke uJohn loyo ithi ngikutshele. Loyo uyabona ukuthi una something ku gallery loyo. He's a beggar like us. Loyo ngeke uphe ne-universe loyo ne-lion loyo.
Mara wamkhuluma blind man.
Streamer phela lo muntu loyo uyambona.
Thank you so much Lord John Khumalo.
Streamer uJohn ngeke akuphe i-lion mtshele ukuthi mina ngiyenzani if i-MVP yami yangena la uzobaleka iqiniso lo uyaziyo.
Mari engengaka mara John
i-streamer mina i-streamer singithusi honestly because uzokumele uyobhadala nini. Mtshele ukuthi i-real MVP kaMama kaMpumi ama-MVP makangena nizokaka nonke lapho uyazi nawe. Dlalani ngala mamani gani wenu. Hi guys, let's try team. They want to beat us.
Tela Kimberly on the times 3 guys, on the times 3.
All together guys, sengidelelile guys, yobazongishaya guys, but I don't care. How uzosithusa ngabo John uyi-streamer hayibo sonke siyasokola mina nawe no John safana mos.
Mina ngiyasokola bi.
And when I think ngikutshele mina ngisabi level tshela uJohn ukuthi umama kaMpumi level 34 she's a gifter naye ngafika nami ngamhlanganisa namanto lapho akhona elifeni yakhe angisabi mina i-streamer mina. Umuntu ocelayo ama-types naye hayibo ama-rose uzongithusayela ngaye ithi MVP yami eyi-1 ingene la uJohn uzosihlonipha uzosaluda uzothi uzothi ubani le ntombazane ubani lo gogo umama kaMpumi hayibo angimazi yazi uzongazi and umtshela ukuthi abheke igallery yami okay uJohn wakho bese ucompare yami igallery neyakho bese ke siyakhuluma
Silwanga.
Yes, angithi wena usichomela ngoJohn Black. Akuna Lord lapho uJohn Black wase Days and the Beautiful. Guys all together. Guys let's go see umuntu thina la i-level of new level.
Lord John. Wait, when uzambiza John lapho. Lord John Khumalo. Thank you so much.
Guys, uJohn Black was
Lord John
all
Khumalo.
together guys, all together.
Lady M, thank you so much.
Guys, if you're here, don't forget to click a follow.
Thank you so much.
So that you don't miss our games.
Thank you so much, guys. On times 2, guys.
Let's keep on tapping, guys. Let's go. Let's try times 2. It's a series, guys. It's 0-1.
Times 2, guys.
Let's go.
Times 2, guys. Times 2. Now, let's take this one. Times 2, guys. Times 2, guys. Times 2. On the times 2, guys. Let's go on times 2, guys.
I guess born again. Good is
Grunge.
all together, team. Guys, can anyone subscribe for us? Please. Let's go. Let's go, Timmy. Let's go. Anything, guys. Anything.
Thank you so much, Pendila. Thank you so much.
Guys, thank you so much for the likes, guys. We are on 42. Let's go, my team. All together. Apelile mama. Ijem gani. Level 35. Sipelile. Kanjalo nje. Sure. So la makatkat manje lapho lamafinga athi udonsa kanzima Dr. Malinga. Mina ngithuswi level mina kungangena ulevel 3 la akuhlanganise namabonda ulevel 2 ulevel 10 futhi nje i-retired soldier loyo ukhathele akusayikho into azoyenza la kuzongena ulevel 10 la. Anything ngikutshele ke uyabona level 35 ukuthi uspende how much akusukuthi una mhlambe level 35 but ijam gun leyo yokugcina so yenzani manje hayibo kumele manje simsabe umuntu ngoba uLord John dlalani sambeng. Let's go team. Let's go, my family, my tappers. Keep on tapping until one enter. Impandlani izomila inwele ngoku manje. Let's go, team. All together, guys. All together. Let's try. I know this is not our time, but let's go. Boy. Hawu, bathi mina ngizohlala ngithulile kanjani? Ngithuliswe istreamer. Hayibo. Mhlawumbe ubiza uGamede ke. Yabo naye ngathi futhi useka-retire loyo naye. Sekayadlula uyaphuma uyadlula uyaphuma uyadlula uyaphuma. Ngathi ufunana ne-baby
Umbona namhlanje umbona uphonseni namhlanje.
Ubani?
uGamede.
Uphonsele bani?
Mina.
Ini ilayoni?
Akusila yona. Let me check it. I'll check for you. They will tell me here. Guys, what was that?
Ini ukuma rankings na. Sibona ngama rankings ukuthi bekuliwa. Hawu.
Akabelo
Guys, thank you so much. Oh guys, 202 guys. 02 my team. Thank you so much, guys. Let's try. Let's try.
Dali Pindile, thank you so much. Bonza, Lady, thank you so much. Lady M.
Ugamete sekakhathele ugifta naye. Guys, let's go, team. South Africa is not my gifter. You don't know. You don't know that.
Yeah.
That's not my gift. South Africa. Few people. Mabafika ku level 40 bayakhathala. Or 30 something. Bayakhathala nje yabo. Bayasola.
Bayasola. Hey! Angiboni yazi. Yazi angiboni yazi. Ngizothule yazi simbona. Oh yeah. Hi. Lord John Khumalo. Let's go. Lord John Khumalo. Ungalokuthi John ungalokubiza abantu bama John la. Akuna John la. Kuna Lord John Khumalo. Let's go. Shut up. Tula mama, Tula. Thank you so much. You must just shut up, mama. Ayiko into kumele uyenze lana sibheke nedugu yakho asazi ukuthi bokuliwa before uzalana like bondlule emakatini or ema-tiger nani. But God bless you with your duke. Yes, let's go. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, Lord Khumalo. Thank you so much, Lord Khumalo. Please follow Lord Khumalo. Lord, not John. Please follow Lord John Khumalo. Please follow Lord John Khumalo, not John. Lord John Khumalo. You must start with Lord John Khumalo. Thank you so much, guys. Hey, what? Now, guys, one rose each, guys. One rose each. Thank you so much, Lord John Khumalo, for a rose. Let's go, guys. One rose each. Thank you so much. Kahiso, thank you so much. Target reached. Dali, thank you so much. Let's go. Play. Mama, play. Bonza. Thank you so much, Bonza. Kabelo. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go. You said you want to play South Africa. Evan, South African. Thank you so much, South African. Thank you so much, guys. On the times two, guys. On the times two, guys. On the times two. Thank you so much, Kahiso. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. On the times two. On the times two, guys. On the times two. Kabelo. Thank you so much. On the times two. Papa bantu bago. Like unomlomo mara unabantu. Why? Bonza Mazulu. Why? Times two, guys. Let's go. Kate, thank you so much. Let's play, guys. Let's play. Hey, amagifta makafika ku-4 tire khathala. Hey, khathalekile. We all about tiring. We are tiring. We are dered. Yo, pardon. A Duchess. I thank you so much, a Duchess. Let's go play. Play, mama. Play. You said you want to play, Anish? Play. This one is the second one. Solo. This one is the second one.
Oh, uyabuza mina okubuza awuna ma-moderator wabuza mina into ezinjalo. Ngiphethwe into zami ngicabanga i-life yami la.
This one is the third one.
Oh, buza uLord. Hayibo.
You shombiza Lord, right, man?
uLord wakho.
Hey, Lord wethu. Thank you so much, guys. This is a third game. Then we're playing the ubiza Lord manje. Seyakutla manje,
Fake
uyakutla.
Lord.
uLord. Uyakutla. Okusalayo. Check the score. Check the balance. Hey, it's unsnipeable. It's impossible to.
Ngemali yomashonisa.
Never. Ayikhona lini. Never. Samukelo. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, Samukelo. Daily number 22, guys. Let's push, guys. Let's push. We are pushing for popular. Konje kumele ngipushe popular kakhulu ne?
Let me see. We are popular number what?
22.
Yeah. Ithi basenda ama-heart me.
Ama-heart me.
Nama popular.
Let's go, guys. Please send the heart me's.
And claim their points so that ufike ku top 20 at least uthole badge ngo 12.
But claim.
Hey, lapha next to your profile there's a circle. Mabaqeda ukusenda ama-heart me nama popular. Babuyele lapho khona la izothi claim, claim. Izokhona ukuphusha ube ku top 20.
Oh yeah, guys, please send heart me's and claim there.
Cabanga. Hayibo. Phela nina i-5,000 leyo it was on times 3. Uyamtshela lo muntu maka ukuthi ngikushaya ngani Dr. Malinga. Ithi ngibone guys.
No, guess what? We don't care ngama history.
Kanti nina nabo maliyoni. Amajeti.
Ucabanga ukuthi benginemali.
Anina maliyoni namajeti. Actually unto uye ku online loan le yama speed for mina lama ukupha
Lord John Khumalo. Let's go.
Hayi man. Uthi ngibonise ukuthi sukushaya ngani. Iziphi lento lezi benyukushaya ngani. Ngitsheli ngokuthi izukudala lento lezo man. Hayi man. Iphi angishaya ngama screenshot makala. Hayi man. Ukuyomtshela ukuthi lo muntu mina ngikuyenza ngikushaya ngama volt hey. Hayibo.
Amara just neta ngani lezo.
Ngikushaya ngama volt boy.
Hey, mara just no.
Uke wamtshela ukuthi uJohn ngidangerous kanjani?
Oshaya ngama throwback.
Okay, aninayo iLeon or iFlying Jet.
I'm still guys, please step. I'm still.
Hayi ngamani ngani step. Guys, can we try please?
Let's go guys, I'm still guys.
Let's go.
Can you time 3 ifuna if awufuna isisebenzisa? Why ifunani la?
Guys, all together.
All together yani.
Guys, 51 points. Guys, come on. Ay, Jesus. Yo. Let's go, guys. Let's power tap, guys. Let's power tap.
Oh Lord.
Let's go.
It's oh Lord.
Ubani.
Where?
Ay, wena. Yo.
Hello, Jesus. It's oh Lord.
Guys, come on, Claire. Can we tap? Let's
go, guys. We are going for times 2. We are going for times 2. So the important one is a daily or it's a popular.
It's a daily. It depends ukuthi abantu bakho bakupushe kuphi. If daily ithini uthi Thingbo.
34.
Ukude kumele ufocus kunto manje. But you can make it if uloti angabi stingy. But that is tough.
Kana ukhona ukukhuluma ungafaka ngolodi mara.
Angithi uyo khona lapho manje.
Imbali 0.
Chini. Hey Queenie. Hey guys, can you have 3? Guys, guys, can you activate speed, guys? Oh, what team?
Oh, what team? Let's go.
Yazi Malinga ungaswaba manje. You only have 2.
2
and I have 0. And you had 8 on Friday. I had 4, but I won the series.
Hey, Mara, ngisho manje, why would you have 2? I won 3 ngisho. You
won 3?
Yeah.
Okay, fine.
Thank you so much. Bye.
Now ubi makenye bi makiyabile jano.
Times 2 guys, times 2.
Ubi mamole singmo.
Mbali.
Ska kenyetse bubi mabao, please. Ska kenyetse bubi mangwaneso.
Busy Kate, got the blocking.
Mo re bue language e jwalo babes. Ubima. Ai, a re tsebe ntho e mo.
Thank you so much. Let's go.
Guys, can we tap, please? Can we tap, guys? As you come, guys, can you help us to tap, please? Can you tap the screen? Guys, we are losing is 03. 03, guys.
Aqala ngeyami uthi 30 ungathi 03.
What are you saying, Barbara?
No, I'm saying ungathi 03 30.
03. We have 0, you have 3. If I say 30, that means I'm having 3. This is how we count our series. Guys, let's, cause people are gonna be into. Guys, can we tap there? Can we tap?
Siyawina lana nene siqeda ngawe then iphele le ndaba.
Wena. Oh, you are telling people to tap. Because I didn't understand what you say. What are you saying there? Guys, can we tap there? Can we just take down their winning streaks, guys?
Send the hot miss, guys. So hold on.
Guys, let's go. Let's go, Timmy.
Guys, please share the live, ne? Please share the live. Please share the live.
Ngifuna ukukubuza ngesomething ne ukuthi uyayazi but ngizokubuza ngizokusendela imessage ngikubuza.
Okay.
Ukuthi awe ngayo na. Okay guys, let's go Timmy. Guys, let's go guys. Please everybody power tip my team. Kasinile nama. Oh, makeup yami ayisuka ngakahle. All together guys, all together, all together.
Anabantu bakho baslow na bangafiki na.
Yo.
No,
mina vele ngalesi sikhathi Lora let's go ngeni MVP. Guys, can we snipe? Can someone snipe and take down their winning streaks, guys? Winning streaks. Winning streaks. Oh, winning streaks, Timmy.
Akatateki. Yeah, we are on 4th one. We are going to fifth. We're on the fifth. 4-0. We're going to number 5, guys. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Anele, thank you so much. Kimberly, thank you so much. Deborah,
come on, someone snap
0, Dali, Khali, Samukelo. Thank you so much. Let's go, guys. Let's play, guys. Let's play. Where's Zimba?
Guys, someone please take these winning streaks down, please. Thank you so much for the follow, Queenie. Kumo. Thank you so much. Guys, can you try first gift? Can you drop their winning streaks, guys? Yes. Can you drop their winning streaks? Times 2.
Guys, let's go, guys. 1 times 2.
Let's have a thank you. Just the winning streaks. Why are you saying Malinga, guys? If you Malinga won't see your comment here. If you want to say something to Malinga, go to his side, Moose. How? Lindo! Miss EL, thank you so much, Queenie. Thank you so much, Lindo. Thank you. Hey. Botin, going.
No, bring it.
All right. Thank you. So the kunje. Azowala ma winning streaks law. So it's only 1. Don't worry.
Tinashe.
Thank
you so much, Tinashe.
Has anyone get love?
Please send that news, guys. Please send that news.
And the important thing, when they send the heart me, they must claim the points, because if they don't claim the points, they're not gonna count on your popular. So they must comment. They must also comment. Even if they can say hi, it's another point. So they must also comment and tap. Keep on claiming the points. Guys, all together.
Thank you so much. Claim the point.
Sis, this is all. Why was Chinchilel Bito, Mark?
Who the hell? Guys, 1 rose, guys. 1 rose.
Can you have 2 roses?
1 rose each, guys. 1 rose.
2 roses, guys. See, guys. See. Thank you.
Target the reach today. Target the reach today. Target who the hell? Target the reach today. Tatiana, thank you so much. Dali, thank you so much. Zero.
Guys, can we try to take down their winning streaks, guys? Can we try to have 1
guys, let's go, guys. On the times 2, guys.
1 win on our side. Lindo Gutle. Guys, 10 winning streaks.
Guys, let's go, guys. On times 2, guys.
Thank you, Lindo. Guys, times 2.
On times 2,
let's
on times 2, guys. On times 2.
Sex! Shut up, Wena. Hi, Bo. When uyasitshela. You feel like ukuthi when you won 2 games. Nje. Hey, yeah, no. Those ones, they were too small. 4 games, yeah, fine. But you feel like you have made it. Where's your lot? Hey, Oswaka, thank you. Where's your lot? Lose mentation. Ewe, na akongarabe lose mentation. And the next time, ungangithusi ngama-streamer, outro. Ho. Sayithola le one. Isnipe. Zama nje uthi uyasnipe. Boy. Hey, ungaloku pressa la. Ngengalo ezingathi yezento. Ungaloku pressa la. Nana guys 10-0. 10 minute streaks guys. You know, when I do this, there's someone who might beat you. Loser. Future loser. How? Ama-mosquito ayayidlulela nje lapho elifini yakho usuzitshela ukuthi uzoshaya. You ask me before you say, hey, please. Guys, please, can we try my team? They want to snipe here. They want to snipe. I cannot love. Hey, guys, 40 seconds team. Dog, Tower the herbalist. You gonna snipe? Good luck, guys, snipe. If they snipe, amakwala. Umuntu ozohlala lapho asnipe lapho ikwala. Kwala leli lemakwala, guys, snipe.
Like the streaks.
Guys, snipe, please. Snipe.
Oh, yes!
No. Ulot udali sniping game.
Lord John Kumalo.
No, wabo udala sniping game. Kilgwala.
Abori wa well there.
Kilgwala level 35. I rekileng level. Yes, thank you. Yeah, it's gonna be tough now because now he is sniping. He doesn't play. It's gonna be tough.
And thank you so much, Lord John.
We're gonna take down those winning streaks. Thank you so much,
Lord John Kumalo. Thank you so much,
Thank you so much, Oswaka. Thank you so much. Good night, my sister. Thank you so much. Thank you. Zero. Imagine level 35 women to sniper Manigana. Jesus.
Send the hard message, guys. Now, please don't forget to send 50. 5 Noto. We are going for the. We're gonna play four games. Then we are done with it.
It's not guaranteed, boy. Table can turn. Table can turn.
It's a walk in the park. Let's go.
Guys.
I snipe. It's unsnipeable. It's impossible. I can't
We need a savior. We need a savior, my team.
Please follow John, guys. Please follow Lord John Kumalo, not Maputa.
11, guys. This is the winning streaks. The 11 winning streaks.
Hi, yeah.
Guys, can we all tap there?
Guys, can we all tap? John, no. Lord John, no. Let's go. Uyantaye namoye. Uyantaye. Last bono.
The fragments, guys. How many fragments do we have?
One rose, guys. One rose each, guys. Some girl, thank you so much.
We're gonna lose one fragment because we didn't go live today. Guys, can we activate it? Can you
Shilini,
activate?
thank you so much, Rabethu. Target the reach today, just like that.
Body
That's
Sandals.
Paulo.
Oh,
Thank you so much.
let's say
Who the
yes.
hell? Thank you
That's
so
one
much. Who the
rose.
hell? Thank you so much. Uyantayela moya, uyantayela, urikebiale moya. Last born, oh, thank you so much, last born. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much. Just,
Peace. How are you?
thank you so much, Shilimi. Thank you so
Oh, we
much.
need help, guys.
Thank you so much.
Ah, we need help, my team, yo.
LSG, thank you
That
so much.
side.
G, ushawa streamer, ushawa streamer.
Ah, vele. Sine enga ngithi vele ngisiprovokile. Sizothini? Usithole
LSG.
a-recharge mus.
Yeah?
Usithole a-recharge nginkani. It's okay vele. So, uzophelelwa manje.
Shilimi. Guys, let's go, guys, on times two, guys. Last spawner. Number two, let's go, guys. Oh, nice one.
Oh, guys. Where is Lizzie? Who's Lizzie now? Why are you asking me about Lizzie? Guys, can you try? Let's go, Timmy. Let's go, guys.
Let's all go to the drop and last statement. Yeah, please throw the glove. Please throw the glove, Kimberly. Please throw the glove.
I Vele, you better throw it. Throw it.
Please throw the glove.
Anything can happen. Oh, guys. Guys, someone snap for us. One game, fella.
Chapter 4, guys. 4 we go.
Isambele nyolala, guys.
LSG. Thank you so much, guys. Guys, let's watch out. Lana was a sniper, la? Hey.
Guys, someone snipe this for us. Oh, wow.
Kukuthela sibuya khona ungalilahle lithawula thawula.
Guys, someone try please for us.
Yeah. Thank you so much, Kimberly, for the glove. Please throw on the glove, guys. On the glove. No roses on the glove. No roses on the glove, guys. Let's go, guys. No roses on the glove. Banga snipe. Your way. On the glove, guys. On the glove.
LSG,
on the glove. On the glove. Yeah.
Yes. Oh, I say.
Provoke Lord phela.
Hayi. Angiprovoke abantu abanganalutho abazamayo. Angiprovoke abantu abanganalutho. uLord akanalutho. Siyambona nje. Ama-streamer lawa post live.
Yeah?
Post live loyo.
Ufost live usho impilo or live yala.
I-live yonke nalana. Hawu. Umuntu nje uyahamba uyo recharge nge-2K. Beceda ufuna ukushaya thina nge-2K. Yebo. Intanga zakhe zisenda ama-Leon. Ngicela ubheka ukuthi i-MVP le A1 i-first kuma-Leon yasenda ama-Leon ayingaki. Hamba uyobheka nje.
Yabani?
Eyami. Click on my gallery. Ucheck ama-Leon. Go and check. Meli.
Mara lezo zingena njani lezo?
Ezengena ngithi sifuna ukumbonisa ukuthi intanga zakhe zenzani empilweni. Angazozibhosa la because asina MVP kwamanje akunamuntu osilwelayo. Hawu, uzosidabulela la ayidabulele. Klika i-Leon ubheke ukuthi first person udrop ama-Leon ayingaki. Hawu. Bese nina
11.
Bese nina maniceda lapho nizopretend esifi i-5K leyane ye-first game le it was a Leon or a flying jet. Checka. ukuthi lana ekhaya kudliwa ipapa ngama-leon. Hawu. Uyibolekile nokuyiboleka le mali leyo yokuthenga le 2K leyo. Ceda uzozenza ngcono la. Ukuthi azothi shine Dr. Malinga.
Guys, shut up, Nyana. Oh, Mara, no, I understand. Mr. Majin.
Ke tloele Malinga. Wena level 13. Tsamaya o nka tšhelete ya grant 350. O tlo lwanela Malinga. O se ka tlo ntjwetsa mo ke tloele Malinga. Hao. O mthusa kang Malinga. Tsa mo rekisa dieta tsa hao o ye ka wa. It's something ka life yao. O thuse Malinga wa sokola no ka mo. O desperate. O batla o protect di nugget tsa hae wena wa tla ka mo. Kapa o tepe. Terrorists. Dinkonko. Lingongo. Papela abantu bakho. Times 2. Niyashaya musithulele. Mangiceda niyasukela niyeza futhi nizokhomenta. Nizongithola.
Last Bono. Thank you so much, Last Bono. Thank you so much. On the times 2, guys. On the times 2, guys. Let's go on times 2. Thank you so much.
Guys, guys.
Yeah.
Let him win. What about me? Mina ngini la ngicockroach mawuthi let Malinga win. Ngicockroach mina la ngizela ukapha Malinga. Ngizokublocker yazi. Isho futhi enye into A1. Uzobona ngizokublocker manje kay 10. Ngiphinde futhi ngikublock. Oh.
Anyone with love.
Ulaki nje angisemudi nokublock abantu namhlanje. Oh. Hey guys, snipe hle. Yo. Kasi ngicela sisnipe lana hle guys. It's only 1 game. We have 0 guys. Kasi ngiya understand ukuthi Dr. Malinga yi celebrity ke akunandaba. Mara guys ashaye 10-0. Hayibo. Hayi. Ngicela nimo prove ukuthi akusi celebrity la ku TikTok. How? Let's go, Timmy. Someone just snipe this, guys, please. We are almost there, Pio. They're gonna snipe it. Do you have it, love? Hi.
I have times 3 booster. Please throw it, Kimberly. Please throw it.
Ow, na panic. Upulot. Seni khalela nokuma booster manje. Cause nabona ukuthi kungashuba anytime. Guys, le. Oh Nkosi yami. Oh Jesus Christ.
Guys, please snipe this one. Yo, let's go on.
Let's take down their winning streaks there now, guys.
Guys, please snipe, guys. Please snipe, guys. They're gonna take the streaks. Yo.
Let's take down the winning streaks, guys. It must be 1-0. It can't be.
Yo.
Snipe, guys. Let's go. Yes. Yes, 1. Yeah. But why are you cursing at me respectfully? I was just asking. Now you're telling 15-year-old. I will block you. Right for the last time. I'm giving you another chance. Just say it. You are going to be blocked. Melly, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. We have 1 Clavlin. Thank you. 1. Kuluma food.
Thank you so much.
Because I won.
Kimberly, Mr. Mashego.
Ungazobhala ama-essay la elifini yami. Sinestress saka Dr. Malinga manje. Just cough. Or sneeze. Yeah. You will see.
I'm going to go finish home.
Oh, let's go, Timmy. Let's try. Thank you so much. Millie, thank you. Let's go, guys. Let's go, Timmy. First gift. First gift. First gift, my team. All together. First gift. Let's try, guys. Let's try. EMVPs are phambili, guys. Let's try. Oh. Umuntu ufuna attention. Why abantu bathanda attention so much? Kuma life are wrong. Ukhulumela ummeli wena ka Dr. Malinga. Ummeli nangu lapha at least uyasizama. Are you a lawyer? Ukubhatala malini? Hamba uyomkhulumela ngale. Ube yipolitiki, ube uJulius Malema ngale. Not here. How? All together team. Let's try. Abana lutho manje baphelelwe. Let's go. It's our turn now. Asambeni.
Uxosha Lord yazi ungixoshile.
Hayi ngimxoshanga. Angithi nawe ukhuluma kakhulu.
Last ball now. Last ball. Wait for the double, ne? Wait for the double. Last ball, guys. 1 rose each. 1 rose each, guys. Let's go, guys. 1 rose each. 1 rose each. Popular. Yo, where? One rose each. Kimberly Nondu. 9. Mr. Mashero. Guys, 1 last rose, guys. 1 last rose. Yes, thank you so much. Snare, thank you so much. Let's go, guys. On the double, we go harder, guys.
One more, guys. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose, Timmy. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1 more rose. 1. Guys, 1 more rose. Hey, Bonolo, thank you so much. Thank you.
Last Bono, wait. Yo, Last Bono. Yeah, wait, now. Thank you so much, Last Bono. Thank you so
Guys,
much.
bayeza nge-anger
On
manje.
times 2, guys. On times 2. When you see now times 2, anything that we throw is
Guys,
times,
bayeza
is times
nge-anger
2.
manje. Let's try Timmy.
9. Thank you so much. Or again 9 or again.
Guys, let's try it. Times 2. Let's try, guys.
On the times 2, guys. Anything that we throw now is times 2.
Let's try Timmy. Times
Anything
2.
that we throw now is times 2.
For a second, 37. All together,
Oh,
guys.
0,
All
9.
together. Guys, you all together, team.
Mr. Mashego. Let's go, guys. On times 2, guys. On times 2.
Yes, let's go.
Kimberly, Mr. Mashego, Bonza. On times 2, guys. On times 2. Let me see, guys. We
Guys,
are
let's
40.
go, Timmy. Guys, anyone? Let's go.
Guys.
Yini enkinga ukuthi nifike ku 1000? Nidonsa kanzima. Hayi.
Nasitshela ngokudonsa nongadonsi.
Hayi nidonsa kanzima shame. Niphethe ispeed mara niyatswipila. Isandla siqinile epokotweni lapho or emakawusini. Oh, guys, can we tap? Can you tap my team, please? Let's go. Let's go, Timmy. Let's go. Let's go. All together, guys. All to. Bafuna ukungithulisa. Babhekeni.
Be on. Sipo! Thank you so much, Sipo. Thank you so much, Sipo. Let's go. Shut up, Mama. Ne? Thanks, bye. Thanks, bye. Chula kanjalo, bye. Thanks, Mama. Let me see. Okay. 92, 92, 92, 92. Mami gishawo follow and understand. Guys, they're gonna snap this one. Sipo! Thank you so much, Sipo. Thank you so much, Sipo. Thank you so much. Let's go. Guys, please send me the hard miss and claim them there. Ne?
Guys, thank you so much. At least we are on one, guys. We are on one, guys, right now. What's the score?
Guys, we are on 7-1. Thank you so much. Last Bono. Thank you so much, Last Bono, with that love and a power up. And Sipo. Thank you so much, Sipo. Kimberly, Mr. Mashiro.
7-1, guys.
9. Thank you so much.
Someone enter here.
Kakaulani.
Yes, everybody power tap, guys. Everybody power tap. Everybody power tap, guys. 7-1. Ma okusalayo ama winning streaks wona lawa ubozifila ngawo they are gone now, ne? How do you feel now?
I'm feeling next.
Sorry,
Feeling
ne?
tired.
Sorry.
9. Thank you so much, guys. Let's go, guys. On times 2,
Guys,
guys. On
someone
times 2.
snipe for us,
Anything that we throw
please.
now is times
Someone
2.
snipe.
Anything that we throw now is times 2. Let's go, guys. Oyanta yena boy. Oyanta. Mr. Michelle Bonza.
Guys, can we tap, Claire? Can we tap, guys? We have 148 people, guys. Come on. Can we tap? Yo. Guys, can we trap, Claire? That's what we can't.
Sipo. Let's wait for the double, Sipo. Let's wait for the double. Let's go, guys. Let's wait for the double. When it say times 2, and then we throw, it's times 2. Anything that we throw is times 2. Let's go, guys. Yeah, boy. Last Bono. Thank you so much, Last Bono. Let's wait for the double. Now we wait, and then 1-0, bargain. 1 rose is Bonza, Kimberly. And then when it says times 2, then it's when we can throw. Anything that we throw is times 2.
Guys, can we try?
9.
Thank you so much, guys. One more
Mala
rose.
Mulela. Thank you so much. Mala Mula. Thank you so much. Peter Mala Mula. Thank you so much. Guys, one last rose, guys. Yes,
Guys,
Rabbit.
can we tap? Ay, God. Ay. Guys.
Yeah, now it's times 2, guys. Now it's times 2. Last spawn now. Thank you so much, last spawn. Thank you so much.
Can we try?
Let's go, guys. Rabbit, thank you so much.
Can someone please try for us, guys? This is, guys, they don't have smoke, these people.
Yes, Sipo. Thank you so much, Sipo. Rabbit, thank you so much. You see now it's times 2. Rabbit, it's times 2, guys. Let's go, guys. 9. Thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys. Thank you so much.
Please try for us, please.
Bonza, Sipo.
Yo, sisokola nokufika ko-100. Yo, guys. Hey. Nale iPod ayisafly inkosi yami. Or ngoba ibona uDr. Malene. Ayisayiphezulu ke. Hey wena, behave. Guys, everybody power tap, Claire.
Urike viale moya urike urigo groove.
Hopefully this I completed that thing.
Guys, let's go, guys.
Yo, people are sleeping here. Yo. People are sleeping here. Guys, ayingeke.
Let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. Thank you so much, Pilani. Thank you so much. Oh, last spawn, no. Thank you so much, guys. Last spawn.
Utole Interstellar.
One minute.
Yeah.
No, not Interstellar.
Ugamete Interstellar.
Interstellar. Kunenye futhi check it up.
Interstellar le egulayo ephuma emanzini egulayo engathi iphethwe isithotho. Ayi Interstellar kuphela engibonayo la. Igama lakhe. Ukupha ama Interstellar 2.
Yeah, Mark, there's something.
Ukuphe ne Leon, ama Leon ay 3.
Yeah, but there's something.
Ayi, yo. Something leyo kanti kuphi yona. Oh. Ngokupha nani futhi. Tingbo. Moya. Okay, guys, last 2 games. Mara, at least to push ile namhlanje. At least. At least to push in. Guys, how many games after this one? 1 game. If they win this one, we go on the last game. Let's go. Accept again. Yo, nesiqedelele. Guys, what's the score now? It's 8, ne? It's 8 or 9? 8. Can we go, guys?
Young is back.
Mina, I was. Oh, bodlala nale ntombazana. Le ntombazana inine smoke, ne?
Yeah. Mara angimuzwa.
Mara ngikaze ngidlale naye asifollow one. Maybe I need to follow her. Ngithanda i-vibe yakhe. Mina ngithanda umuntu one-vibe vele. Hello, Josh. How are you? How are you? Guys, someone snipe for us here, please. Snipe for us, guys. Come on. Say we came here to yapora yo. Hi, ke. Mara vele mina ngithanda ukudlala ebusuku yazi. It just that nje i-task ikhona i-task vele kumele ngiyi-complete ngizokubonisa yona.
Oh, okay.
Guys, can we tap? Can we tap, guys? Can we tap, please? Can we tap?
Kate Mara. Hey. Nice again.
Hey, guys, igame lega Merilinda Melexeni ayo. Ay. Sengizoya nje kusasa na Tuesday, but ngichintsha ischedule sami, guys. Ngifuna uMajuma lapho. Ngifuna siqale ukudlala noMajuma. I think so izama from next week. Ngikhulumile naye. So change ischedule. Guys, can we have 3 roses? Guys, 3 roses tini. Retse pina really too. Yo, na kitse bobina. Na kitse bobina. Ke ntotsa bo Dr. Malenga tsa bobina tseo. Guys, can we tap, please? Someone snipe. Yo. Yeah. 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 Dividim. So you're gonna go off Mokatala. Leke mile. Ozo Quebec.
I wanna push to top 20. Manga tola top 20 penalties over.
Ubani manje ipopular.
It's a good 20.
Yo, guys, ngicela niyosendela uDr. Malinga ama-heartbeat hle that side. You just need ama-heartbeat kakhulu nama-popular. Ngicela nomsendela ama-heartbeat, guys, if we have one heartbeat and comment after. Join his team, comment and send go to that comment section and write post to those those stickers, guys, and then claim the points.
For me?
Tap. Let's go to his side. Send the heart me's, guys, so that he get e-badge. Ye top into guys bandla popular.
Make sure that I'm on, yo.
Ngathi ungafika. Yeah, it is and yazi popular yanceda yo. Why ngakuboni ku-popular manje? Why I don't see you on popular? Oh, 22. Yo. Hey. It's abantu bakho basenda ama-popular vote.
That's please send popular.
Then claim.
Yeah,
22.
That's Bono.
Mina sengimele le batch le. Yabona i-batch le yena new top 7. Ngizoyithola for the whole week. Do you know that one?
Which one is that?
Bheka lapha yana ngaphansi kwama viewers go viewers I yakho yabona lapho kunale nto le
Yeah.
engathi purple enobupink yebo
Yeah.
yabona ithi number what ithi number +99 on you or ithini
It's number 30.
number 30 if you were number 20 ubozothola i-badge for the whole week i-click lapho ubheke top 7 kuleyo we pushed the whole week last week every game kumele uthole 2000 and above that's why so
2,000 viewers.
2000 points if uwina nge-2000 kusho ukuthi uthola 1 point uyaphambili kanjalo so le badge le sizoyithola the whole
number
week
1?
7 onako top 3 onako uzoyithatha le top into i-podium yakhona but at least guys phela the last time guys we got it that badge we told her the whole week so vala ngonto ke or soyenza njani after into uzodlala randomly or siphusha ufikele
ngibona ukuthi maybe ngafika.
Guys, can you go to Dr. Malinga and send the heart miss, guys? If you can. First gift, my team. First gift. Let's try it, team. First gift. Anything. First gift. First gift. Mina bengafuni ukuza live, guys. Ngizele nama rewards kuphela. Khona ama rewards engiwazela. Ukuthi ngipush. But afuna 25 minutes. I didn't want to come. Because I know ukuthi thina ebusuku nje asidonsi into zethu la. But at least we've managed to make it. We have 41 followers. We just needed 5 followers. But we have 41 followers. So we are good. Hopefully I completed that. There's a lot of things. Izinto ezinye la abantu abazazi. Lot of things. Guys, can we tap, please? Can we tap? Yeah, I will teach you that. I will show you that one after live. Maseng Pumilin send a voice note. You send it. Guys, can we?
Okay, sure.
Can we send? If you can hear me, guys, can you send red hearts or something? Just say hi or tell me where you from. Anything, just for our comments to run. Just for our comments to run, my team. Just a red heart or tell me your location, where you from. Or whatever, just say hi. Guys, can you have 1 more? 2 more roses, 3 more. 3 more. A red heart, or you just say hi on the just comment something, anything on the comment section. I'll appreciate that. And then if you haven't sent a heart me on side of Dr. Malinga, can you go and help with the heart me, guys? And the popular highly rato where from Lerato.
Your own number 21, guys.
21, yes. They just need to try to push you. Popular phone into phone. I'm a popular vote. Hi, I'm from Secunda, Mpumalanga. Secunda, Mpumalanga. Now I'm in Secunda Evander. Is it the Evander, Secunda Evander? Or it's just Evander? Miss K, thank you so much, babes. How are you, Miss K? Thank you so much for joining our amazing team. And congratulations.
Guys, where are you watching me from?
Let's go, Timmy.
Where are you watching me
from Free State. Welcome.
Me, I'm from Hamanskraal.
Welcome. Unganyana bani ba welcome. Dr. Azwi Hangu. How are you? Thank you so much for the follow. Hi, Kanye. Dr. Matogish.
Harris Smith, Aliyah.
Thank you so much. Hi, Mama Kampumi. In Centurion, Pirara. How's the weather? Pirara. Doctor.
Liema, Isi.
Let's go. Let me see the comments. Oh, level 12. Congratulations. Thank you so much for the follow, TK in Mpumalanga. I don't know.
I'm from Polokwane, Mr. Mashiro, just me.
I don't know which one is that. When I welcome, Bole rato bakata bashimane ampe ba welcome. Ke ba tseba. Babo Ino.
Bonza.
Welcome. Doctor. Oh, doctor. Thank you
Watch
so
in
much.
Toronto.
Sheba, hey, Galibita, Ratamo.
Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys.
Doctor, thank you so much. And then I told him I'm from USA Lowell when I sent my heart me. Pretoria West. I get to be Pretoria, guys. Ne. I just know CBD ya Pretoria. Fair.
Bonza.
Yeah, Pretoria.
No.
Fair. I'm from Venda. Nda. Guys, snipe, guys. I hope they're not gonna snipe, guys. Take down their winning streaks. I don't even know the score, guys. But I know that Uti. I don't know. Good. Finally. Where are you now? Thank you so much. Shout out to our MVP. Doggish in the house. Thank you so much, dog. Thank you so much, Katli, Miss K. Thank you so much, my
Thanks so much,
family.
guys. Thank you so
Thank you,
much.
everyone.
Thank
Let
you so
me
much. Last
see.
call now. Thank you so much, Nono, Bonza, Alia,
Let's
Given,
go. Okay, guys, please continue to go to Dr.
Viva.
Malinga and send the heart meet, guys, and the populars, guys. Please, he must get. Let me see. And then we have Venda in the house. We have Abu Masindi. Tembisa. Corrupt place. That one. Tembisa. Skelem. Look your name. Look at your name. Smashing glasses, smashing windows. Born. Your name isn't it of our skeleton. Kadala. From Rustenburg Protea Park. Ooh. Rusty in the house. Guys, thank you so much. I went to Rustenburg. I think 5 years back. The mining tsa Rustenburg ne ko sebetsa teng. Ana le project di mining tsa Rustenburg. Bontate ba di mining ba rata basadi. Hey! Basadi ba ditono. Eh? Guys, continue tapping. Don't forget to claim your points. If you are here for the first time, please hit the follow. There's more. Ooh, we say no. Beggarsford. Beggarsford. Where is Beggarsford? I don't know Beggarsford. Where is Beggarsford? I don't know. Guys, can you have Limpopo? Ngwana bo mma. Ngwana bo mma. Kati dula ka mo mma. Ngwana bo mma. Mma. Ke kgopela cat. Guys, can you have 2 roses? Listinchi ambi. Stinch. Ngwana bo mma. Guys, 2 more roses, guys. 2 more roses, guys. 2 more. Let's go, Timmy. Let's go, guys. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Everybody, let's go. Go on music, hauna nix. Yo. Hola mukhuku kwa salamate amazenke. Guys, can you have 2 roses? 2 roses, guys. 2. Sanibonani. Ninjani. Guys, 2 roses. 2 roses, guys. 2. Guys, mina ngo-12 ngiyalala, guys, ne. Ngo-12 I just want to go to Dr. Malinga uzoyithola popular. And then I go because I'm gonna wake up early. Le game le ya ka Marelinda, guys. Ngibone kahle but ke so ilungisa. It's fine, so ilungisa. Kahle, thank you so much. Ngifuna ukufaka umajuma la, guys, lapho. Sikhulumile naye. Sifuna ukudlala ekseni naye. But so bega maybe during the week or maybe next week because no cleaner kumele ngikhulume naye. Ngifuna ukupha uclean another. Guys, all together. Guys, after this one, I think we're gonna play the last 2 or 1. Ricky Bon solo guy. Kamoka popular air how. Let's see. When I never told winner. Not unless someone come and snipe for you. The person who's on your team. Ricky Bon, something. See something. Oh, guys, I think we're gonna lose a fragment. We're gonna lose a fragment, guys. Team Lingers, go that side. Go that side. Go that side. He can't see you this side. You can go to his side. It's okay. Click on his name and then go that side.
Let's go, guys.
I want to see something here. Wait. Mama. Ish, I can't see. I wanted to see. Ukuthi. Akiboni. No, thank you. Yeah, wait now. Uring. Uthini ke? Makuso.
Ubani?
Wena.
Kuyafana akakawini nokuwina.
Hayi bo. Sengiwinile. Yo kunini? Yo.
Shada kancane singene. Yo we. Shada kancane.
Cabanga.
No.
But thank you so much. Yoni ngashapha Dr. Malinga. Oh.
Ngiyona moralo wena kulutsa yena mowa. Queen Kiki, please snipe for us.
Guys, watch out, watch out.
On top 20. Yo.
Good. You still have another 5 minutes before that. Tapo, thank you so much. Thank you. How? Dr. Malinga nkareng rahlanya. Kana lit love. Thank you so much. Kasi nkare ke tlo kill you know it. Stop eating sweets. Chocolate and so. Yes. Love.
Yo, ke mona.
Hey, wena ke dula ko jwetsa nhlala ngikutshela ngithi ungabi too quick. How? Don't be too quick.
Guys, please, guys, let's go, guys. On time three. Guys.
All together, guys. There's our WhatsApp, guys.
1K to be on top 20, guys.
Oh. Thula uthi tu. Le top 20 leyo uzoyithola ngaphansi kweinyawo zakho.
Yo.
How? Yo. Tell your people to help you. Guys, how many people does he have that side? Can you go that side? And tell me how many people unabantu abayingaki? Ama-watchers. Abakhona ukuthi baphume ngaphandle bayenze something manje ebusuku ukuthi bakuzamele something. Ukuthi ungene ku top 20. Lose man. Ukhuluma ngenhliziyo manje. Ngithi bongishaya la nabo Lord. Uphu Lord ulele as we speak. Ulele. Usele nami. Hey. Don't you dare. Talk on to my points. Mr. Stress. Se popular. Yeah. Uzoyizama one day food. Now 161 people for him. What happened to your followers? Biza ke uLord ke. Intanga yakhe ila. Uthephoza umshaya kahle uLord wakho. Oh. Lord creation.
Amargafana uthepha nayo.
Hey, ungamprovoke. Don't provoke him. Yabona uze ngepeace. Uthapho phela angakuhlanganisa nami lamaketini lawo manje. Uthuthu ubona intuthu nje lapho. Ubona imist. Ungamprovoke. Guys, ngathi ngizophathwa izinyo guys. Yini lakala babhloko. Ngiphathe ngenhliziyo. Khulela inhliziyo yakho. Haw. Mina I'm not unpopular mos. Okay, what were you saying about Sap?
Kuyafana naye akathusi. Guys, let's go, guys. Let's go, guys. It's 2 minutes to 12. If you can reach 1K, guys, yo, we only shot with 1K. to be unpopular, guys. Oh, only one, even it's not 1K. Guys, our guys, it's 300, only 300. Oh, or it's what, man, or in. Only money gun. Only money gun, I think. I gotta change. Oh, only money gun. Money guns. Oh, Galaxy, only Galaxy.
So tola i-patch the whole week, guys. You will see that patch is gonna change there for that one, that pink one, for the whole week. It's not like there's something you will do here. Thank you so much, Ross. Thank you. Thank you so much. Taz, that's how are you? I need to stress. Nale stress, Dr. Malinga. Oh.
Hi, buddy.
Top
Hi,
22. I want to see this one. Yeah, change. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. I want to see this one. Okay, change as well. Thank you so much.
Mama Sonar Baba.
Yeah, sharp.
Okay, thanks.
Betty, I can't teach in Chani. Sharp way. Get out, check out, son.
Okay, sure.
Sharp. So, thank you so much. Thank you so much, guys.